Hi, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. So what is a forward head turn and how does it help you have tighter U-turns? Hang tight. When my partner talks to students about making a forward head turn, he tells them that you should be able to see the back of your bike in your peripheral vision, which looks like this. As I make my head turn and look behind me, I can see the back of my bike in my peripheral vision. Now I'm going to show it again, but this time I want you to notice how much my shoulders and hips open up. So why is this important? Well, as you saw, when you make a forward head turn, it really helps you to open up your shoulders and your hips, which makes for better handlebar turns. Now you want to make a forward head turn whenever you make a 180 or 360 degree turn. Examples of common exercises that require a forward head turn are U-turns, offset cone weave, intersection or iron cross, keyhole or 360, and figure eights. Now, if you had trouble with any of these exercises, I've done videos on how to successfully complete each and every one of them. Now, I will leave links to the videos in the description below. Now, let me say this. You will have a hard time completing these exercises if you don't have a full head turn. Now, I'm going to write the U-turn exercise and a couple cones of the offset cone weave to demonstrate how this looks when you're riding. My head is turned and I can see the back of my bike in my peripheral vision. Now I recommend you watching this video where I explain why I think turning our head is much easier said than done. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.